it's Claire, and today we're going to be testing out this kind of lens plus contact lens solution I got. And we're going to be making jiggly slime. And so for this you're going to need a mixing tool, a mixing bowl, Elmer's glue, contact lens solution, and also some water. And you can, if you want it to be extra jiggly, just add some soap. And so pour out the Elmer's glue first. Now, so you can mix this if you want out. You can mix this up. And then you're going to add the water inside. And this is going to be really watery, so don't worry if it doesn't work because, well, of course. And I just got some food coloring. You don't have to put this if you don't want to, but I just want to. I feel like it. Kind of want a darker one. Dark. I want a dark blue. Kind of like this peaceful dark blue, but I want it darker. Okay, nah, I'm gonna add some more. So this is good now. I'm going to have to add some contact lens solution. And you have to add your activator slowly. And don't worry if your slime right now is quite quite very watery, because that's okay. It's going to start foaming up soon. Except since in my last video, which is the testing the shaving cream, video, I mean, like, this didn't work at all. So yes, I guess this is not a good contact lens solution. So I'm adding a lot right now because I'm a very impatient girl. And yes, I know that slime is actually supposed to be patient if you make slime. But now I'm not a very patient girl. I know this is not working at all. Ugh. Why isn't it working? I thought it would work. I don't feel like adding the whole bottle inside, but I might just do that just to make this work. Come on, get it in. Oh my god, I added so much. I can't believe what I did just now. Also, it was very cheap, so of course it wouldn't work. Yep, it doesn't work. This video is a terrible fail, but still remember to subscribe and press the notification bell, and also give this video a thumbs up. Bye.